In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom CSS for your Gohighlevel dashboard in 2026. We're going to walk through the built-in area where you can add your own styling so you can personalize the look of your Gohighlevel interface. This is especially useful if you want your dashboard experience to feel more branded or visually consistent. As we go, make sure your CSS is already prepared in advance, because once we get to the correct field, you'll simply paste it in and save. First, head over to Gohighlevel and sign into your account. After logging in, make sure you are in your agency view. If your account opens somewhere else first, don't worry. You can switch over in just a moment. Once you're inside the platform, look for the option to switch to agency view and click it. This is important because the custom CSS area we need is located in the agency level settings rather than inside an individual sub-account. If you don't switch views, you may not see the same menu options shown here. After that, go to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your agency account. From there, use the sidebar menu and click on Company. This section contains your broader agency branding and configuration options. Inside the Company section, click on White Label. This is where Gohighlevel gives you access to branding-related settings, including the code fields that allow you to customize parts of the platform experience. Now scroll down until you find the Custom CSS field box. Take your time here, because this section may be a little farther down the page depending on your screen size. Once you locate it, click into the field and paste your CSS rules into that block. Be careful to paste only the CSS you actually want to use, and make sure the syntax is clean so your styles apply properly. When your code is in place, click Save Changes. This step is essential, otherwise your edits won't be stored. After saving, refresh your browser so the platform can load the updated styles. Once the page reloads, you should be able to view your new styling across the Gohighlevel interface. If your changes don't appear right away, refreshing again can help. Also, remember that some style updates may be subtle depending on the CSS you added, so it's a good idea to check a few different areas of the dashboard after the refresh. That's it. You've successfully added custom CSS to your Gohighlevel dashboard.